Hey guys, so this is part two of having lunch at Absolute Barbecue. So these were the starters which were served. There were a variety of options. Then there was pani puri, and then there was some kind of mocktail as well, which we could choose from. And we chose Virgin Mojito, and it was an add-on option, like you could pay extra for that. And then this was the ambience of the entire restaurant. The vibe was very calm and quiet as to a busy restaurant, which is wonderful. This was the grilling section, the pasta station, the chart counter. And then I decided to move on to the soup section. But then I knew if I would have soup, then I wouldn't be able to have anything in the main course. So I decided to check out the main course. And then there was Chinese cuisine, there was Indian cuisine, there was Sichuan cuisine, there were types of salads, there were pastries, there was dessert, there was like I think there were fruits, there were different types of fried papad and stuff like that. So yeah, I didn't have much from that, but it was fun because we were already too full. So these were some of the things which I saw, and I just decided to skip all of this because I didn't have the bandwidth to eat that. But everything looked yummy and wonderful. So definitely, if you want to check out this place, they have their restaurant, I think, in Vashi and Pavai in Mumbai. So I've been there to these places, both these places basically. You can also definitely try out. You can do a booking from their app, Absolute Barbecues. You can download it on your Apple phone or on your Android as well. And yeah, it would be fun to take your family out or your friends out. You can go with your colleagues as a corporate lunch as well. So, this is like a wonderful place for a buffet situation. So, yeah, you can have a variety of stuffs to choose from. So, no one would definitely go hungry because there is so much of variety. And yeah, not to make it repetitive, these are the things that I had. There was something on my plate at least. So this guy was making special pan ice cream, but I had a cold, so I didn't have it, but my family did. And these were some of the desserts which I had taken. Bye bye. Thank you.